In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 2 Season Pass not working. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you bought the Season Pass for Black Ops 2 and you are noticing that everything that should be included, such as the maps, are not being downloaded when you go inside of the game and you don't have access to that content, fixing this is very easy. First, open the game and go over to any lobby or menu. You have to go into the store. So find the store option on any menu, and when you go to the store, you will be able to see all of the content that you own. If you have the season pass, usually it is going to be the first thing listed and then subsequently all of the individual maps. All that you have to do in that window is to confirm that you purchased both the season pass and that you own all of the maps, and then hover over any map that you see there. Select the map by pressing A, and this is going to open up the classic Xbox menu. Now, in this menu, as you can see, all that you have to do is go over to confirm purchase. You will then be redirected to a page where you can manage the game. So you will see this pop up and you have to select Manage Game. When you go to Manage Game, choose Call of Duty Black Ops 2 at the top. So don't go over to updates, don't go over to saved games, just select the option to manage the game itself, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, and you will be able to see the main installation on the storage of your console and then every single add-on. When you see them there, you have to make sure that they are ticked. So there will be a box near them and you have to make sure that that box is ticked. If it is not ticked, go ahead and tick it. That way you will force the game to install the add-ons. You can now go back to Call of Duty Black Ops 2 and repeat this process with every single DLC from the Season Pass that wasn't properly acquired. As long as you manually install them through the Manage Game window, you will be good to go the next time you launch the game. Wait for the downloads to finish and you will be able to access the Season Pass content. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Black Ops 2 Season Pass not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.